Hi, this is the other one, a part of it. It's actually 2 videos because one was really long. Now I just need to finish all of these. Maybe we'll stop again and play another new video. So I already switched the Sofia over here. See all these I cut? Well, that has a seed, so I can't do that one. I can only do these and these. You should actually try one. If you want, you can ask your mom to buy it. They're very good. Oh, and also watch out for the seeds. Wait, what? We're starting again? Can I just finish this whole one? Sorry, I was talking to Mom. Oh, hi, Dad. So this is my dad. He's coming.
Hey, guys.
So Dad, I want you to practice your Baxter beat after I'm done.
This is my daughter, guys. I'm so proud of her. I love her so, so much. P.S. I love you.
You keep saying that in the middle of the movie.
Oh, I'm sorry. Keep going.
Oops. Okay. Oh, thanks, Dad.
It's okay. Hey, guys, it's okay. It happens. We just keep on going, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, bye, and I hope you like and subscribe the next video. So, bye.